and acidification of the ocean's delicate chemistry. So let's talk about sea turtles. Sea turtles' streamlined bodies are remarkably adapted to ocean life. Their front legs have been modified into elongated flippers that they use for swimming, while their short, wide hind flippers act as rudders for steering. Their vision underwater is better than ours, and they have an acute sense of smell for locating food. Although they live in the ocean, they must come to the surface to breathe air. Sea turtles usually surface every 20 minutes to breathe. But during the periods of rest, they can stay underwater for several hours. Don't try that at home. There are 7 species of sea turtles found throughout the oceans of the world: green, leatherback, loggerhead, hawksbill, Kemp's ridley, olive ridley, and flatback. Different species of sea turtles like to eat different kinds of food. The diet of green sea turtle depends on its age. Juveniles feed on jellyfish and worms, and at the age of 2 or 3, the turtles start to expand their diet, feeding on jellyfish as well as algae and seagrass. Loggerheads, on the other hand, are strictly carnivores. They have a massive beak that is strong enough to crush the shells of the mollusks and crustaceans they eat. Young loggerheads eat invertebrates like jellyfish, small crabs, while adults feed on larger, hard-shelled animals like horseshoe crabs and clams, other crunchy invertebrates. Sponges, amoebas, squid, and shrimp hiding in the crevices of coral reefs are not always safe from the beak-like jaws of the husk-gill turtle. 6 of the world's 7 sea turtle species are found in the U.S., with the exception being the flatback. All 6 are protected under the Endangered Species Act. Climate change, death in fisheries, bycatch, and loss of nesting and foraging habitats are among the numerous threats that face sea turtles today. Here's the mantis shrimp. Another inhabitant of the coral reef is the mantis shrimp. This colorful crustacean burrows into the coral, defending its territory with club-like appendages that can strike with incredible speed and force. Mantis shrimp snack on other invertebrates like crabs and mollusks, using their spring-loaded appendages to stun their prey with a punch so fast it causes a vacuum in the water, called a cavitation. This can produce light and heat, called soluluminescence. To detect prey, the mantis shrimp primarily relies on an excellent sense of sight. Mantis shrimp eyes are located atop 2 stalks that can move independently. They possess a unique system of representing color in which each eye contains 12 specific color detectors that allow them to respond to potential prey faster than if that color information had to be processed in the brain like most other animals. A mantis shrimp will hide in the coral crevice and ambush any prey that drifts within striking distance. Now let's talk about the cuttlefish. Cuttlefish are cephalopods. They are related to octopus and squid with differences in their anatomy. They have 8 arms with rows of suckers, as well as 2 tentacles and a beak-like mouth. Their skin contains chromatophores, special cells that allow rapid changes in appearance. A cuttlefish morphs how it looks, using different colors, shades, patterns, and textures for camouflage, communication, and hunting. Inside its body, the cuttle bone is a porous structure made of calcium. By varying the amount of gas and liquid held in the holes by the cuttlebone or cuttlefish, it can adjust its buoyancy to travel up, down, and all around. Within the coral reef food chain, cuttlefish fall prey to sharks, rays, shrimp, and large fish. They hunt for small shrimp, fish, and crabs along the ocean bottom, moving gracefully with their undulating movement. When the frightened cuttlefish propels itself quickly with using a squirt of water through its siphon, it can also produce an ink cloud that acts as a smoke screen for enabling a quick escape. Alright guys, we'll finish up talking about who the dolphins share the ocean with next time. Stay safe. I miss you very much. See you next time.